Hi everyone, this is Selena. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're well. So today I'm going to bring to you a gorgeous scarf. So this is it. It's absolutely stunning. I love it. It's really easy to make. It's crocheted with the pattern of a simple V-stitch. So I will be walking you through this tutorial step by step. So to make this crochet scarf, you will be needing a skein of shawl in a ball in shade Jade Pool. So this is another shade. It was just to show you how it looks. It's a gorgeous yarn which is 58% cotton, 39% acrylic and 3% other fibers by Lion Brand Yarns. I love it. It's so gorgeous. And you will be using a 6.5mm hook, a tapestry needle, and you will also be using a pair of scissors. Again, I've lost my scissors, so I'm using my baby clippers, but that works also. So yes, the free pattern will be as always on my blog, so don't forget to download that. And also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you like crochet videos. I release one every week, so stay tuned. And I will actually be making a project in the near future using this shade. So yeah, it's exciting. So I will also be using US terms. So without further ado, I'm just going to start my tutorial. So to begin, I will be only making a sample just to show you how to make the scarf. However, I will be explaining exactly the number of chains and so on to make. So to begin, make a slip knot. So just go ahead and make your slip knot. Once you've made your slip knot, just pop your hook through and tighten. And for this scarf, you will be chaining 26. So just go ahead and chain 26. 1, 2, 3. So you should have chained 26. I, however, have chained less just to show you how to make this crochet scarf. So to begin row 1, you are going to be placing 2 double crochets into the 4th chain from the hook. So just count 1, 2 and 3 and 4, and into that 4th chain you will be placing 2 double crochets. So just go ahead and wrap your yarn around your hook, go into that chain, there you go, pull your yarn through, you've got 3 loops on your hook, take your yarn, pull through 2 loops and take your yarn, pull through 2 loops. And again, we're going to place a second double crochet inside that same stitch. So just go ahead and place a double crochet into that stitch like so. And this is what it should look like. And this chain 3 from the beginning counts as a double crochet. So what we're going to do now is we are going to be skipping 1 chain, so just skip that next chain, and what we're going to do is again place 2 double crochets into the next chain. So skip this one and go into the next one and place a double crochet. And again, inside that same stitch, just go ahead and place a double crochet. And as you can see, this creates our V stitches. So there we go. I'm just going to show you. So this is a V stitch and this is a V stitch. And again, we are going to be doing the exact same thing. So just skip the next chain and go into this one and place 2 double crochets into that chain. So there we go, 1 and 2. Skip 1 chain and go into the next one and place 2 double crochets into that. And skip 1 chain and go into the next and place 2 double crochets. And you are going to be doing this until the last 2 chains that you have. So obviously, because I've got a much smaller sample than my actual scarf, I've reached my 2 chains already, so you should have a longer row. So there we go, this is what it looks like, and you can see we have our V stitches. So we still, however, have 2 chains left. So to finish this row, we are just going to be skipping 1 chain and going into the last chain like so and place a double crochet into that. So just go ahead and place a double crochet into that stitch like so, and this is our first row of V stitches. So to do row 2, what we're going to do is chain 3. So just go ahead and chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, turn your work, and what we're going to do is place our next V stitches into the V stitches from the previous row. So basically you're just going to go directly into this space because this is a V stitch, so you're just going to go into that space and you're going to place a V stitch inside that. So just go ahead into that space directly and just place 2 double crochets into that. Go into the next V stitch and place 2 double crochets into that. So it's very simple as a pattern, and it's very beautiful because it creates a really lacy textured scarf. So again, just go directly into the next V stitch and place a V stitch into that. So 1 and 2 double crochets. Go into the next V stitch here and place your double crochets like so. And we're reaching our last V stitch. And we are going to be placing our V stitch into that. So just go ahead and place a V stitch into that. And now that we've almost finished our row, we are just going to be placing a double crochet inside that chain 3 from the previous row. So this counts as a double crochet. It was, however, our chain 3 from the previous row. So just go ahead and place a double crochet inside that chain 3. There we go. And we've got the second row of V stitches, sorry. So basically this pattern is just going to be a repeat of row 2. So I'm just going to show you row 3, but row 3 it's just a repeat of row 2. So just go ahead and again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. This counts as our first double crochet. Turn your work, go into the V-stitch from the previous row, and just go ahead and pop 2 double crochets into that. Again, just go directly into the next V-stitch and place another V-stitch, which is 2 double crochets, and again just go into the next V-stitch and place a double crochet into that, and so on and so forth. So just go ahead and do that until the end of this row. So I'm just gonna do that. So I've nearly finished my row, and I've placed all my V-stitches inside my V-stitches, and this is how it looks like. So it's absolutely gorgeous, and it's so simple. I've reached the end of the row. I've just placed my last V-stitch in the last V-stitch from the previous row. I've got the chain 3 from the previous row right here, inside which I'm just going to pop a double crochet into to finish my row. So basically this is the pattern for this stitch. So it's really, really easy. It's just basically a repeat of row 2. So I'm just going to let you carry on with this pattern. Don't forget to download my free PDF pattern from my blog, selinaveronique.com. Everything will be linked in the description box. So yes, so just carry on repeating row 2 until row 120, and your scarf will be completed once you've reached 120 rows, and it will be this gorgeous, beautiful, lacy scarf. I love this scarf. So yes, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe, and in the meantime, thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.